Hey guys, welcome to What's Gas. First of all, Happy New Year, and we just want to say that we hope that everybody had a good holiday. We have another video today because we got another sponsor from HansShow, and they sent us over a rear multifunction entertainment display V8.66 Ultra, and the 8.66 is how big the screen is, and this is just gonna go in the back of the console, just kind of like the Model 3 and the Model X. And it's just going to have a display on the back and where you can control stuff, and it's going to be good for the kids because they really don't have anything back here that they can kind of control, so it'll be good for them. So we're just going to open it up and show you guys what is inside. Okay, this is what's inside, and it's the display, and it looks like a pretty good screen. It does have some controls down here, like the fan, the heated seats. It does control the front passenger seat, but we're not going to hook that up because we really don't want to give the kids that much control back here. Music, it looks like apps, YouTube, and settings. And then these are the vents. It does have two USB-C ports here, and that's good to let them still charge their devices. It did also come with these cables to hook it up. A USB-C to USB little adapter. And then this. It did also come with like a little welcome letter, which is really nice. And then it also talks about the warranty. It does have a 1-year warranty, so you guys can reach back out to them if anything happens and they'll replace it or fix it. So I just want to talk about what the box says that the display can do. And it says that it has 5-seat heating control, original car volume adjustment and song switching, professional high quality dual speakers, negative ion air purification, driver and passenger seat massage function. I don't know why it has that because we don't have massage sheets. I don't think any Tesla does. The 8.66 inch screen, the Android system app download, rear air conditioning control, CarPlay, and then it also upgrades over the air. So we're just going to talk about the price real fast. So it is originally $429, and if you go on their website right now and go get it, it is on sale. It's $359. And if you use our discount code What's Gas, then you can get another discount on top of that and get it for $276, and that is a huge markdown from the original price. You can also use our discount code What's Gas on their website HansShow for any other product that they have on their website. We're going to link this display in our description, and we will also link the website where you can use our discount code What's Gas on any of their products. Just want to say that we do get a small commission off of it, like 5%, and that will go back to the channel just to help our channel grow and to give you guys the content that you guys deserve. We do appreciate it, and just wanted to let you guys know that we do get that and we appreciate it. So this install is supposed to be really simple, and I haven't watched a YouTube video or the instructions or anything on how to install it. So we're going to attempt to install this together, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. All right, so do I have to lift this open? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to just disconnect this. I'm scared I don't want to pull it too hard. Oh, there's a clip. Okay. All right. And then I have to open this, right? I want to scratch this up.
You gotta use it.
I don't want to scratch it up again.
You're not gonna scratch it up, or you're just gonna really get in there. What tool are you? What part of it are you using?
This.
No, use that one. Now you're making it hard to get in there.
Yeah, but I don't want to scratch it.
There you go. And now slide it to the left. There you go.
And just letting you guys know, this orange tool does come in the box. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now this just pops off?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Alright. And so, what? Do I need to take this off? I know. I feel like it's about to break.
No, just push it up now.
Okay. Alright. We get the cable that it came with, and we're just going to go ahead and connect this piece to this. And then this piece to this one. This is a little stiff, so alright. And we're gonna kind of like tuck it in here because it is gonna be snug when we put the piece back on there. I'm trying to push it in there, see if it will go in any, but it. Okay. We'll just try to push it in there. Okay, and now that we have these connected, the end of this is going to connect to the back of the display. So we're just going to leave this out for now. And then this piece is going to connect to this adapter that they sent us. It's going to come in the box. This went to the air vent and we won't need it anymore, so we're just going to put that in there. Now that we have this all situated, we're going to put the panels back on. Okay, so we're going to make sure that these cables are running up. We're going to leave that here and then run this up for the display. I'm just going to kind of hook it behind the vent. Okay, I'm just going to leave it here. This one is gonna snap. Okay. All right, we're gonna screw it back in. Push this in here. It's gonna be a snug fit, but we'll get it locked in. And okay, this piece is gonna go. Oh goodness, that is tight. Okay, let's see if we can do it like that maybe. Okay. Yes, I feel like it still kind of pokes out right there, but It's on there. Okay. Now we're going to connect the display. This black piece is going to go on here. And then the white piece is going to go inside. Alright, make sure that's tucked in. I'm just going to kind of go ahead and have it tucked in here a little bit. Make sure this is tucked in behind the vent. Okay. And kind of feed it through. Okay. Okay, so you see these two like clips or fan wall parts, I don't know what you call them, but they're supposed to connect in here. So make sure that you don't have any cords in the way, or else it will not close all the way. So you have one here, 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 and here. That's going to connect. So we're gonna, I'm just gonna make sure that these cords are pushed in really well. On the screen too hard. Okay. Got it. That was a little hard, but just make sure that the cords are not in the way. That way you don't pinch them, and that way they can go where they need to go. That was probably the hardest part. Okay guys, now that it's installed, we are gonna keep it in here for a little bit and just kind of play around with it, let the kids play around with it, and we'll get back with you guys and let you know what we like and what we don't like about it, and just pros and cons and how it works well in our family. So we'll see y'all soon.
Alright guys, so here is a screen. We've had it for about 2 weeks now. The kids have really liked it. The majority of the use has come from when we are driving about town, doing errands, picking them up from school, things like that. That's when they've used it the most. They've watched YouTube, Netflix, but really when we go on a longer trip, they have their iPads just because they can use that to talk to their friends and play games. But majority of the time when we're in town, they've used this and they've really enjoyed it. It's really like a mini Android tablet. So in order to use it, you're going to go to car settings, you're going to go to your Wi-Fi and connect it to your Wi-Fi, whether it's a hotspot or your phone. You connect it to it, and then that way you can get all your uses out of it. The main screen is going to be your climate zone, where you can control the temperature, sliding up, sliding down, if you want it colder, hotter. Your fan speed right there, on, off, auto. You can do keep just like you can in the front. You can do dog mode. You can do camp. You can do child lock as well too. I'm not going to hit that because then I have to put in the code that you can get on Hans' website on there. But I'm not going to hit that. And then the other part from here, this has gotten a lot of use from the kids, is the heat warmers. You can control all the heat warmers from this screen, the front and the back. You can do all the heats. You can also just close them all out with one single button. Oh, the other thing that I forgot to mention on, well, no, that's on the next screen, sorry. So from this screen right here, you can control all the heat seats on there. And then the next screen, which what we thought that what you had to do on this one is that you had to connect the cable that goes from here to the front passenger seat on the right side in order to control it, but you don't have to do that anymore with this new version of it, because as you can see on the corner of that screen, it's moving. You no longer have to do that. It automatically does. So we didn't want this because of the kids, but it's already there, so well. You can also have the glove box from here as well too. It says it has massage on there, right? And when you click it, you hear something move inside of the seats. But I believe what that is that lumbar support that the seat already has anyway. So I don't think it's any type of massaging or anything like that, because you really can't feel anything. Then from there, that's really the only thing you do on that screen. From there, you can go to the music screen, where if you have Bluetooth or if you have a USB drive connected to it, you can, play music off that. And then the other one is your main app screen, where there's the music one that I said. The video is the same thing. If you were to put a video in USB or something like that, you can play off that. Your gallery for pictures. Your car info really doesn't tell you much of anything besides, if you want to change the hour format, the degrees. And then the audio settings is where you can control the volume. You can make it a little bit more if you're into an audio file, which I am not. And I mean, it's such little speakers that, why would you mess with that? And then your CarPlay, your Android Auto, your Chrome, your Play Store. The Play Store, again, is just like any kind of Android tablet, where you can download games, you can download other apps. We really haven't used that because, like, if the kids want to play a game, they can just use their iPads. But I'll show you a quick game that we downloaded just to play with it. It's Solitaire. Nothing, too crazy on there. The majority of the use that this has gotten has been on Netflix and YouTube. The kids have loved that. They've been using it. The volume is really good for them.
Yeah, so we decided to get a Tesla because we had to pick another car, and
Wait, we didn't decide that we were going to get a Tesla.
So yeah, the video quality is good. It doesn't go all the way up to 4K. It maxes out at 1080p. But that's good enough for the screen here, right? You wouldn't want 4K on here anyway. And then the settings, the same thing. So yeah, guys, that is the screen. We've shown you installing it. Kayla did a good job without having to watch a video or anything. She did that all by herself. She did have an issue up top here in the right corner where she couldn't get that to click. After several tries, she finally got it all on her own. So she did a good job with that. It was an easy install. It wasn't that hard at all. So thanks for that, HansShow. We appreciate that. And we want to say thanks to HansShow for sending that over to us for us to review and put on there so the kids would have a great time. And if you want to make your car look more like the new Model Y that just got announced, this is it. This is one of the big things that the Model Y has. The Juniper version is the screen in the back. And of course, the other one is new, but this is a big thing that the kids and Kayla wanted, so we got that on there. And don't forget to use our code What'sGas on HansShow's website for any accessories on their website, and you'll get 22% off anything, not just the screen itself, but any accessories that are on there. And we want to thank them again, and we want to thank you guys. If you haven't liked the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel. That really helps us out and lets us know that you're liking what we're doing here. So please go ahead and like and subscribe. And that's the video, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed it, and y'all have a wonderful day.